Hello everyone. Welcome back to ACP CIVIL HUB. In today's video, we are going to understand the complete workflow of a pre-engineered building, also known as a PEB Project Workflow. Whether you are a civil engineering student, structural engineer, drafting engineer, detailer, or professional working in the steel industry, understanding this workflow is essential because every successful PEB project follows a systematic process from the client's first inquiry to the final project handover. In this video, we will learn each stage step by step in a simple and practical way. So, let's begin. Before we understand each stage individually, let's first look at the complete workflow. Every PEB project starts with a client inquiry and then moves through requirement collection, proposal preparation, order confirmation, design and engineering, detailed drafting, fabrication, site erection, and finally project completion and handover. Each stage depends on the successful completion of the previous stage. Proper coordination between the client, sales team, design engineers, drafting engineers, fabrication team, and erection team ensures smooth project execution with minimum errors. Now, let's understand each stage in detail. The first stage is client inquiry. Every PEB project begins when a client contacts a PEB company with a building requirement. At this stage, the company collects preliminary information such as the building type, approximate dimensions, project location, crane requirement, mezzanine floor requirement, and any special client expectations. This initial discussion helps the engineering team understand the overall project objective before moving to the next stage. A strong beginning always leads to better project planning. The second stage is requirement collection. After the initial inquiry, detailed technical and commercial information is collected. This includes the building length, width, and height, crane capacity, wind speed, seismic zone, roof and wall cladding preferences, doors, windows, ventilators, mezzanine requirements, and applicable design standards. Collecting complete project requirements at this stage reduces future revisions and ensures that engineers have all the necessary information before preparing the proposal. The third stage is proposal and quotation. Based on the collected requirements, the PEB company prepares a technical and commercial proposal. The proposal generally includes the project scope, building specifications, material details, estimated cost, delivery schedule, payment terms, warranty conditions, and proposal validity. A clear and professional proposal helps the client understand the complete project and builds confidence before placing the order. The fourth stage is order confirmation. Once the client approves the proposal, the project officially begins. The client issues a purchase order, commercial terms are finalized, and payment procedures are completed according to the agreement. At this stage, the engineering team receives formal authorization to start design work. Material planning, scheduling, and project execution activities also begin from this point. The fifth stage is design and engineering. This is one of the most important stages of the entire project. The engineering team performs structural analysis and prepares the complete engineering design based on the approved project requirements. Typical engineering outputs include the general arrangement drawing, anchor bolt plan, structural design calculations, bill of materials, and design approval drawings. A well-optimized engineering design ensures structural safety, economical steel consumption, and provides the foundation for accurate detailing and fabrication. The sixth stage is detailed drafting and fabrication drawings. After engineering approval, the drafting team prepares detailed shop drawings for every steel member and connection. These drawings include general arrangement drawings, anchor bolt details, assembly drawings, single part drawings, connection details, and the bill of materials. These documents are directly used by the fabrication workshop to manufacture every component accurately. High-quality fabrication drawings reduce workshop errors and improve production efficiency. The seventh stage is fabrication. Using the approved fabrication drawings, the manufacturing process begins. Raw steel materials are cut, drilled, welded, assembled, surface treated, painted, inspected, packed, and prepared for dispatch. Each fabricated member is checked carefully to ensure it matches the approved drawings. Accurate fabrication plays a major role in reducing site modifications and making the erection process faster and smoother. The eighth and final stage is site erection and project completion. The fabricated steel members are transported to the project site where erection begins. Columns, rafters, purlins, goats, and bracing are installed according to the approved drawings. After roof and wall cladding installation, the project undergoes final quality inspection. Once everything meets the required standards, the building is handed over to the client. This completes the entire PEB project workflow, from the first client inquiry to the successful completion of the project. Congratulations! You have now learned the complete PEB project workflow, from client inquiry to project completion. Understanding this workflow will help you better understand future topics such as portal frames, general arrangement drawings, anchor bolt plans, fabrication drawings, and many other important concepts in PEB engineering. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to ACP Civil Hub. Also, let me know your questions or suggestions in the comments section. In the next video, we will learn what is a portal frame, PEB structure explained. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep building, and keep growing. See you in the next video.